वेलकम बैक टू फेस्टिव फॉर एवर। सो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा क्यूजीन एंजॉय किया जाता है या फिर ऑर्डर किया जाता है, कंज्यूम किया जाता है। सो माय आंसर वाज क्वाइट ऑब्वियस, नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड, राइट? इट्स लाइक अ फर्स्ट चॉइस एंड व्हाई नॉट, उनका खाना होता ही इतना टेस्टी एंड फ्लेवरफुल है। So on our today's menu we have some delicious and tasty North Indian food which we are gonna enjoy and relish. So let's begin. If you're thinking about North Indian food and then you're thinking about starters, so कौन सा ऐसा starter है that you would generally order? Please leave it in the comment section below because when I think about North Indian starters, मेरा सबसे पहले and my all time favorite is chicken tikka, right? Red chicken tikka जो generally हम लोग order करते हैं and I don't think so ऐसा कोई भी टाइम है that we won't enjoy it. Okay, so couple of restaurants from where I have ordered food is generally my preferred restaurants और जब भी मुझे नॉर्थ इंडियन खाने का मन करता है तो ये restaurants are like my all time favorite. I cannot skip them. Okay, so here we have our chicken tikka from one of my favorite restaurant. It's my all time favorite restaurant, that is प्रताप द ढाबा। बहुत ही बढ़िया चिकन टिक्का बनाते हैं। एक्चुअली सब डिशेस, लाइक ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डिश इज लाइक एब्सोल्यूट डिलाइटफुल। बट येस, टुडे वी हैव चिकन टिक्का विद अस, सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड ओपन इट। लेट्स क्विकली ओपन इट। It's like a simple box, and then here we have our delicious chicken tikka. Let me count the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. So here we get 8 pieces of chicken tikka for 512 rupees. And then here we have this chutney, probably mint and coriander chutney, then some achar, and also some roasted red chili garlic. Mostly the dhaba always serves garlic and chutney and pickle with their chicken tikka. Chicken tikka looks absolutely good, at least it has these burnt marks, and then you know the masala, it's nicely coated with masala. Whenever you're having chicken tikka, it's very important कि उसका जो मसाला है वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो, like भरा हुआ हो. Let's serve ourselves. So I'm just gonna take one piece over here, or probably 2. One is okay. So, and some chutney. Just taste. And let's go ahead and take a bite. Whenever I have chicken tikka, it's always like some kind of satisfaction I get it. I don't know why. It's like I have that first bite and it just relaxes me. It's like if I'm ever pissed at something or I'm irritated or something like that, then I think in those times chicken tikka would definitely work for me, or whoever that person I'm angry with can definitely send me some chicken tikka. It's little on the spicier side, like the masala will definitely hit you or immediately hit you, but then you have this curd, raita or chutney. So here in this chutney there is some curd, coriander and little bit of green chilies, but बहुत ही मसाले से भरा है, and I love that about this place. Whenever they are serving chicken tikka, for that matter any starter, they always make sure that it's loaded with lots of masala, like tikka masala, and it's just crazy good. I don't have any complaints like whatsoever. I just can't complain. I can't. Here I had called for 2 starters. One from my favorite restaurant, Pratap the Dhaba, and the second one that we have over here is from Cafe Safar. So this one I have just randomly called it. It's a mixed platter. I've never tried this earlier. I just felt like maybe I should try something else also with my favorite restaurants. इसमें kebab भी है, but then other than that we have all tikkas. As you can see that there are different kinds of tikkas over here. Here we have our chicken tikka, then here we have our reshmi tikka, then some kebabs, like 2 kebabs you get it. So this is for like 230 rupees, but I'm not sure about the quality, because looking at this green color I am little doubtful about it, but anyways we are just gonna go ahead and try it. So let's serve ourselves. I'm gonna serve one chicken tikka, then the green one, which is like I'm a little horrified to eat it, but then I'm gonna try it anyways. And then this kebab has nothing to do with this vlog, but still. Okay, so here we have couple of tikkas. Here we also have some chutney and some onions. I'm just gonna have this chutney. Okay. Chutney is quite liquidy. So let's start with our reshmi tikka. Okay. Have they been cooked properly? Okay, flavors are quite mild. It's not bad though. Ow. Okay, so रेशमी टिक्का में उतना फ्लेवर नहीं है, because they have mixed everything together. Mostly I am able to taste chicken tikka masala. Like I think the masala got mixed with reshmi tikka, so everything is kind of jumbled up, but then it's not bad. I'm gonna try this green one though, which I'm little horrified to eat it because of the color, but then yeah, like it's too green guys. मतलब इतना green की अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ. Okay, everything is just tasting same. I feel everything is tasting like chicken tikka for some reason, probably because they packed it in one container. Though we are doing this North Indian food, I got this one kebab, okay, because it was a mixed platter. So out of everything about their, like all their chicken tikka, which was all their tikkas, basically they were tasting the same: chicken tikka, reshmi tikka, and then pahadi tikka. So the flavors are mild. Masala ki quantity ठीक है, it's not bad. I will say that it's justified for 230 rupees. In fact, it is, if you're eating it for 230 rupees, then it's too good. But out of all these mixed platter, out of all these tikkas and kebab, I really like the kebab. Kebab was amazing and tasty. Their chicken tikka was fine, but I feel their price is justified. Like for 230 rupees, you're getting more than enough. Like quantity wise it's good, then pricing wise is good, and then taste wise also it's good. It's not bad, even if I'm not able to taste different kind of things. So I think it might work for me. Okay, so that was the only place which was quite experimental, but then other than that, all the restaurants from where I have called for food are my favorites, okay, are my favorites. And then here we have my next favorite restaurant, that is Kake Da Dhaba. It's an amazing restaurant, amazing food. And if you are doing North Indian food, tell me guys, butter chicken के बिना हो सकता है क्या? ये vlog butter chicken के बिना तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So here we have our delicious and crazy tasty butter chicken from Kake Da Dhaba with some lachha paratha. So let's go ahead and open it. This was for rupees 324. Okay, the butter chicken was for rupees 299 and Lachha Paratha was for rupees 45. So yeah, total is 324 with their taxes and everything. So it's quite good. Let's go ahead and open it. Kakeda Dhaba is like my favorite restaurant. I've ordered a couple of food. I sometimes I order from there. So let's go ahead and open everything. Oh my god guys, like butter chicken. I'm sure you're definitely drooling over this because butter chicken सबका favorite होता है and it's looking so creamy. Can you see how creamy this thing is looking? And जैसे दिख रहा है कैमरा में वैसे ही है. It's creamy. They have sent like lot of gravy. I can see a lot of gravy. Okay, I need to tell you guys pieces, right? Because that's one of the important thing. Mostly shredded होते हैं, but then here we have these big pieces of chicken. 1, 2, and 3. So here we have 3 pieces of chicken. One is big, one is medium, and one is small. So wow. And then here we have our Lachha Paratha. Lachha Paratha की size बहुत अच्छी है. It's quite big in size. So yeah. And then we have some chutney. ग्रीन चटनी एंड प्याज के बिना तो नॉर्थ इंडियन लोग खाना दे ही नहीं सकते मुझे. नॉर्थ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स तो सर्व यू नो दे कैन नॉट सर्व यू फूड लाइक सी onions, chutney, butter chicken, lachha paratha. Oh god, delightful guys, delightful. Let's just put this in our mouth guys. I cannot wait. I'm already drooling over it. So tasty. ग्रेवी का तो जवाब ही नहीं है. इतनी बढ़िया ग्रेवी है ना. So I'm just gonna take one chicken piece, like the small one, so that I can taste the chicken as well if it's properly cooked or not. बहुत बढ़िया. Do I have to try chutney? I'll just try for you guys. I'll try. चटनी का वैसे तो काम नहीं है आगे कुछ. Okay. बहुत टेस्टी है गाइस. इतना टेस्टी है ना. बहुत टेस्टी है गाइस. इसमें ना वो ऐसा हल्का सा सिनेमन का टेस्ट है. लाइक यू वोंट टेस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ सिनेमन बट देन एकदम माइल्ड सिनेमन का टेस्ट है एंड इट हैज दैट क्रीमी टेक्सचर. इट्स लाइक इट्स हैवी ऑन क्रीम एंड चिकन इज कुक्ड प्रॉपर्ली. बटरी, ऑब्वियसली बहुत बटरी है एंड फ्लेवर्स आर माइल्ड. बिल्कुल स्पाइसी नहीं है. मतलब जैसे आइडियली बटर चिकन होना चाहिए. इट्स कम्प्लीटली नॉन स्पाइसी. सो इफ समबडी हु डजंट लाइक स्पाइसी फूड, दिस वन इज फॉर यू. दिस बटर चिकन इज फॉर यू गाइज. दिस बटर चिकन इज फॉर यू. आई थिंक व्हेनेवर आई हैव टिक्काज एंड लच्छा पराठा, बटर चिकन, मैं उधर ही फुल हो जाती हूँ. आई डोंट फील लाइक कि उसके आगे जाके मैं खा सकती हूँ. बट देन देयर इज दिस वन थिंग, ओके, दैट दिस वन थिंग or this one dish that I really love to enjoy even if I'm full, and this is like my favorite thing from my favorite restaurant, that is Urban Tadka. Urban Tadka has been there forever and I always order from that place like 2-3 times a month. मतलब 2-3 बार तो मेरा वो जगह से खाना होता ही है. One of my all time favorite, my comfort food from Urban Tadka is dal tadka and plain rice. Okay, that dal tadka is not the usual dal tadka which is like loaded with lots of tadka. They have some mild yet comforting flavors, okay, so that's why I love their dal tadka. So here we have our delicious dal tadka with some plain rice from Urban Tadka. Plain rice is for 179 rupees and dal tadka is for 259, and all the taxes and everything it was for rupees 509. Okay, so I just love this dal tadka and rice. It's so mild, you know, वो तड़का मतलब भर भर के नहीं डाला है. So let's go ahead and serve myself. Okay. I'm a little messy that way. I just wanted to give you guys some closer look of dal. You know, that color of this dal is like yellow, satisfying yellow. Okay, I'll put it that way. It has this satisfying color. मुझको खाने से पहले मतलब यू नो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती है या फिर कुछ ऐसा खाना होता है जो देख के पेट भर जाता है ना. इट्स लाइक दैट. इट्स दैट सैटिस्फाइंग. दिस food is altogether has different level of satisfaction for me. Wow. Amazing. So good. I just feel like eating it again and again. Okay, so let me tell you why I love this dal. One, इसमें घी का एकदम ऐसे भर के फ्लेवर नहीं है. लाइक घी इज कम्प्लीटली माइल्ड, हल्का सा. इट्स स्पाइसी. इट्स नॉट स्पाइसी, आई वोंट टर्म इट एज स्पाइसी, बट देन it's like very little amount of spiciness that you could taste from this dal. The tadka is not really overpowering. Like they have not added, मतलब दाल तड़का है तो भर भर के घी डालो. It's not like that at all. Ghee is proper, tadka is proper. If you ever want to call for comfort food and you're feeling quite lazy to make your comfort food, then this is definitely going to be your go-to and you're not going to regret it. Trust me, it's just delicious. So guys, what do you think about this delicious North Indian food? मुझे लगता है कि vlog देख के खाना खाने का मन तो कर ही रहा होगा. And if you feel like ordering and you're gonna order from the mentioned restaurants, then please leave it in the comment section below so I would know that my choices, if you really like them and you enjoy them. So guys, now we are gonna rate my experience on my festive meter. My experience was absolutely delectable, delicious, amazing. Okay, I would say that all of them did pretty well, so I'm gonna rate my experience 9.2 out of 10 on my festive meter. The food was, guys, delicious. I hope कि आप ये जो सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स मैंने मेंशन किए वहाँ से यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू ऑर्डर. एंड इफ यू डू, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल and also leave a comment. Thank you so much guys for watching my vlog. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.